Hi everyone, it's Kristi and I am here with a flip through of our envelope journal following the tutorial by Tinson and using the journal kit from Etsy. The store is called The French Heart and the kit is called Parisian Spring. And I chose Parisian Spring because I'm not a winter girl. I'm a California girl and I like spring, summer, a little bit of fall, but I wanted to do spring. Mainly the reason I chose this kit is because I was making this for my sister-in-law, Shelby, and she loves peonies, pink peonies. So this seemed the perfect kit for a journal for her. So it isn't, like, as I said, an envelope journal. It's made with 5 envelopes, 3 cards, and a piece of file folder for the cover. I've used the kit to cover the pages, and I've added some flatback pearls here and there, some cheesecloth, a little bit of ripped paper, lots of lace. I've got a seam binding closure. The flower is just some circle punches that I've scrunched up, and I wet them and scrunched them up, and then there's a flatback pearl there as well. So let's get inside. Oh, it does have lace on the outside here, and then the back is just a piece of paper. From the kit, everything in here that I've used is from the Parisian Spring. Parisian? No, that doesn't sound right. Yes, that's it, Parisian Spring kit. Oh, and I have a little bit of lace here behind that. This is one of the journal cards. Okay, so let's see if I'm centered here. I've got a semi-loaded pocket in the front. These are some edge pieces I turned into a pocket. I've got some lace trim and flatback pearls here. I've got a little ticket writing space, a little tiny journal card here. I've got a spool which I've added some lace to in case you want to use it somewhere else, and then I've got a ticket, a tag. This tag was attached here, and I've cut it and used it for a tag and a journal spot. Here is our first envelope. There's a little bit of lace here. I've got a thumb hole in the top, some flatback pearls here. I did sew around all of these pages before I applied them to the envelope. I've got a tag here. On here on this page, I've got a doily with a cutoff from one of the other tags for just to decorate that as a tuck. I've got one of the journal cards and just a piece of journal paper that came out. I'm going to keep saying came with the kit, but everything here came with the kit. So we've got some coffee dyed paper here that has just been tucked under. The binding is a little bit different. It's a wraparound binding, so it's not sewn in. These pages are completely removable when you have filled them up. I've got a pocket here with some flatback pearls. Make sure they're straight. Some lace trim on the bottom, and 2 more tags. I've got some lace trim on this envelope, and then this is where we start. Got a little glue there. I'll fix that. This is one of the cards that we tucked into the pocket. This comes out completely, and it's got coffee dyed paper inside as well. Just tied with a ribbon, so this coffee dyed paper is completely removable as well. And then this just slides right back in to the pocket. Okay, I've got a belly band there with some lace trim, a journal card, another ticket little booklet, some more coffee dyed paper. Here's our next envelope. There's a tuck, some flatback pearls and lace, and then I've just got a journal card. Love this page with the birds. Some lace trim, and then we have another insert here that pulls out. Oops. I didn't put my something right back together the right way. Let's see. Forgot to close that. Okay, so when you open this, you've got this page that has a little corner tuck and a journal card and some writing paper. Close that back the right way. I've got a couple more pieces of coffee dyed paper. We've got a belly band here with some more writing paper. I've just put some flatback pearls and lace at the top and bottom. Here's our third envelope with another tuck, and I've got just a journal card attached with a paper clip here. I've got some coffee dyed paper here, and then on the back page we have, and you can see I just finished putting those pearls on, so it looks like I got a little bit of glue I'll have to remove there, but this is a coin envelope with another tag inside, and then I've got another journal card in this side pocket that is another envelope with a thumb hole. And then there's the back cover, and like I said, it's all trimmed in lace and just a seam binding closure. It did get a little full, so I didn't want to add too much more because I wanted you to be able to put in what you want. So anyway, that's that. I will have the listing below in the description, and Carol Tinson's tutorial below, and where you can buy this lovely Parisian spring kit from the French Heart. So I hope you'll check it out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.